So you can push this chicken tractor either direction, and even if you hit bumps, this wheel will not come back out. So as you can see, there's plenty of leverage. It doesn't take much. I had some leftover white tin that I stuck on the two sides to help give wind and rain protection for the chickens. You just simply, with 2 fingers, you can flip that. Here's just chicken wire on this part of it. When the weather gets hotter, I'll probably put some plastic with a couple boards on here to give them more shade. So on this end, I put a couple of handles. So when we get to the end of our run and we want to move it over, I would grab this end, pick it up, and I would lift it and move it over so that we can then start back this direction. So if you flip all 4 of these up, which takes hardly any effort, you would pick this up so that your feeders are not dragging on the ground, because when it goes down they sit on the ground, and then you can push it. It pushes very easy, it rolls very easy. And that's pretty much, in fact, it's rolling so easy when I'm trying to put the lid down, it's moving. So let me put this down. If you'll get a close-up view of the holes here. So this is just a piece of PVC, and I took a flat bit and put a hole here and up here so that this rod goes in the holes, and whether it's windy or you're moving it, it can't fall out and close this on you. And that is pretty much how I designed this chicken tractor. It's painted with gloss outdoor weatherproof paint, and it's got 2 coats on it, painted everywhere that I could get to at the time so that it will last. And that's pretty much our chicken tractor, our idea of the most user-friendly tractor that's very easy to move. As a matter of fact, we rolled this thing over there to that gate, out the gate onto a grass strip, which comes to, it's a runway, into another grass strip, and all the way from the backyard. So we rolled this thing about 500 feet without a problem. Of course, the thicker your grass gets, it's going to push harder, but right now it does real good. And our grass is just phenomenal this year. So that's our idea of our chicken tractor.